Well, today we are going to talk about the switch statement, which is used to in decision making. So if you have multiple conditions you want to go through, so the if statement is the most expensive statement, so you have to use another one. It's called the switch statement. It is much faster than the if else statement because we have different cases to check the values. So over here, right now, this is your we created a basic variable called status. Now the syntax of the switch statement is that this is your condition. Now we are going to check this condition, and based on the values, for example, if its value is 200, now notice we created a constant over here. So the constant value, the reason is it won't change. So if we assigned 500 to it, and the switch statement basically give it a value of 200 and it will print value OK. And you've noticed these two values are close to each other because in this case it's working like an OR statement. We are checking two values. If the value is either 500 or 400, we will print this message in the log. So and depending if it's either 500 or 400. So and the default statement is the statement that's run when no case matches. So that's the reason for adding a break command here, because if we do not add this, the logic below will continue to be executed and all those cases will be checked. So by adding the break, it will kick us out of this code, and then to the subsequent line we will go.